So here is a display unit that is obsolete and it was going to go in the trash. But when I was looking at it, I was thinking, gosh, these could be nice accent pieces for some woodworking. So I pulled out the marble ones and the travertine ones. And this just shows some of the marbles with the name that was given. Because later on, whenever I do a project, it would be nice to refer back to that name. So this is good to, this one I've seen in 3CM. This is really cool. Well, they're all real cool, but these are marbles. So from the name, I probably can determine what part of the world they came from, which would be kind of interesting. This one I think we have more of as flooring. This one I've never seen this one before, but this is really cool. And then this is a unit, a piece that I've taken off another display unit. So this we have some stuff similar to this. Maybe a little darker, but I bet it's the same name. So these will be, I think these could work into some woodworking projects. So sometimes you have to keep an eye out for accent pieces. Now I don't know if I would use these. Really cool though. I love that leathered feel. But they were on the unit, so I pulled them off. But who knows? Maybe I'll come up with some ideas. Sometimes the way I look at it, I like to have the materials at hand, a variety of materials, and then I can be more creative. I'm not the type of person who, okay, we need to do this, let's run to the store and see what's there. The way we're doing our project, let's go to the garage and see what we got, and let's think about how we're going to do that wall or whatever based on what we already have. So that's just my approach. Okay, let's oh, it turns out they're siliconed on, I think. They don't come off real easy, but I did get these two off already. So you have to kind of like, this is a real tough knife and it's nice and sharp. So you can kind of tap it in there with your hands and get it all the way in. It could be a little longer. It'd be nicer if it was a little longer, but it's enough to get these off. This one, it should have been longer. I was kind of taking chances on doing this one, but I did get it off without breaking. You have to remember, marble, especially ones with lines like this, those are basically fissures. They can crack. Ones like this, same thing. And these here, same thing. You know, you have to be aware that it could crack right across there, right across here. So same way with this one. It may not, but you have to consider that as an option. It could do that. Okay, so gathering accent pieces.